He like doesn't sneeze at all. He keeps it in. It's one of those sneezes. Yes. Feels awful. I would never. I can't. I have to sneeze, bro. Bro, I just fire my sneeze. The fuck is like cannons are loaded. I'm ready to fucking. I'm going to. I don't care. Dude, what I don't get is how can people. Okay. I hate the holding the sneeze back in. But another sneeze that always shocks me is people that scream. It's like. It's like, how do you. What? That's your sneeze? A sneeze is supposed to be like. It's like a. How do you. That's like half a cough, bro. How do you do that? Unlike you, my lungs are huge. It's just so weird. A learned thing, probably. I think so too, yes. I think it's a learned thing, for sure. They scream before sneezing? I don't know. Lots of people always think I fake my sneeze because it's like the... I can't even like do it without a sneeze, but it's like the... Hey, you've heard it plenty of times. It's like the... Like that one. Like, oh my god, you still pick me. You're so fake. And I'm like, brother, sorry? Brother, that air is coming out at like fucking Mach 10 speed. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Let me be a squeaky toy, bro. Shit's coming out at like super fast speeds. In my opinion, okay, hot take, people always call my sneeze fake. In my opinion, people who sneeze like that has to be there is no way you had that much air in your lungs. There is no way you had to do all that. No way. No way. That has to be fake. There is no way you had to do all that. There is no way you had to do all that. It's like, what do you mean? Nah, you did not have to do all that. That's crazy. I have that sneeze. I sneeze like that. Drama kinks. I do that when I sneeze for the lols. It's the pressure. Oh god. Performative ice. Oh god. I spat all over my fucking screen. Performative ice sneeze. I take a deep breath before sneezing. I take a breath. Don't ear me. You spit too when you talk. Don't fucking ear me. Shut up. I inhale too when I sneeze, but not like a. It's just like a. Like one short, sharp inhale, like a. You know. I ain't got an AoE sneeze, bro. God, it's hot. Fuck. I was, you know what? It's funny. I was freezing this whole time, but then overriding my save file stressed me the fuck out, bro. I got so hot and so sweaty.
Sniffer.
What do I smell like? Be honest. Tell me. What do I smell like? Speak now. Rotten fish is crazy. Chicken broth. An aklut. Spandex? Oh wait, that kind of makes sense. Salt water. Lavender. What the fuck is a trucker shower? Half digested seal. I mean...